Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes, market opened slight positive and there was a profit booking in first 5 minutes and it tried to recover. It was traded under CPR level. After breaking the CPR level, we have seen a very good fall and it has recovered from 24,170 levels, and Nifty has closed negative by 108 points, whereas Bank Nifty closed negative by 379 points. So let's check the open interest analysis of big players and we'll see what's the big player plan. We'll follow by FII in future index. Yesterday they were having 84% long and 16% short. So today they have unwinded long, increased the short by 4%. They have 80% long and 20% short. So FII only have shorted the market today by futures contract. Option index, they were having a 4.15 lakh contract of call buying. Today they have increased 16,000 contracts, so they have 4.32 lakhs of call buying. And in put they were having 3.37 lakhs of put buying. Today they have increased 36,000 contracts, so they have 3.73 lakhs of put buying contract. Here they have held their position in options. They are positive in futures, but we have to see, do they are going to continue their futures long carry forwarding, or they are starting booking the profit in futures index. Then we can see some more downfall in index. In cash market they have purchased for 583 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 59% call buying, 41% call writing, 58% put buying, 42% put writing. Now we'll check client. Client are also known as retailers. In future index, they were having 33% long, 67% short. So today they have increased the long, reduced the short by 2%. They have 35% long, 65% short. And in option index in call, they were having 4 lakhs of call writing position. They have increased their call writing by 94,000 contracts. So they have 4.97 lakhs of call writing. In put, they have 5.72 lakhs of put writing. They have increased their put writing by 3.07 lakhs. So they have 8.79 lakhs of put writing contract. Now they have turned super bullish in options, and in futures they are negative. And in cash flow they have sold for 694 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 48% call buying, 52% call writing, 46% put buying, 54% put writing. Actually, retailers don't have a directional view. Proprietor desk in future index, they were having 38% long, 62% short. So no changes, still holding 38% long, 62% short. Option index, they were having 13,000 contract of call writing. Today they have unwinded most of the call writing contract, and more often they have a call buying of 63,000 contract. And in put they were having 1 lakh of put writing contract by yesterday. Most of the contract they have unwinded today and made a fresh put buying of 1.11 lakh contract. In options they turned negative. Before they were negative in future index, and they are purchasing in cash market. They purchased for 636 crores. Option buying versus selling, in call buying they are having 51% call buying, 49% call writing, 51% put buying, 49% put writing. Here promoter also don't have a directional view, but they are hedging on a negative side and buying in cash market. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty for tomorrow's expiry. Good number of put writing contract unwinding at 24,400. Good number of call writing addition we have seen at 24,400. The data turned negative for tomorrow. Put buying we have at 24,000 to 24,200, and call writing we have at 24,050 and further. So see, data for tomorrow is negative only for Nifty, but for next week it is positive. For Bank Nifty, the expiry will be on 16th July. So we still see good number of call writing versus put writing from 52,000 to 52,300, but negative data from 52,400 to 54,500. But we still see few of the carry forward put writers still sitting at 52,500. So for Bank Nifty, the data still showing negative only. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nifty in 1 day chart pattern, it has formed a hanging man candle today. So whenever the hanging man form, that is a signal the market is going to reverse. That is a signal of reversal. But it is still wait and watch. The data is not exactly negative nor totally purely bullish. So it is wait and watch for tomorrow. So we have to check for tomorrow what candle it is forming. Do it is uh, a sideways movement tomorrow, or it is going to break prior day's high or low. On that basis we can take action. For tomorrow we don't have trade, for it is wait and watch. Whereas Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it is taking a support of 52,000. So here also we have 20 days exponential moving average. So it has to reverse from this level what everyone is expecting, but data is negative. So we have only one thing to do in Bank Nifty. If these levels are broken 52,000, we can short by keeping a set stop loss. Or else one more thing we can do, if there is a very good upside momentum. If 52,300 levels are broken, 52,300 levels are broken with good volume and with good momentum, then all the call writers will get trapped. Then we can see some short covering in Bank Nifty also. Then we can think of long. So it is still a opportunity what I believe for going long and going short also, because it is staying near the support levels and multiple times it has took the support of 52,000. Wait and watch for Nifty, and we'll take decision in live market. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.